This tutorial review will show you how to remove filter from TikTok video. First of all, let's record something. And I'm going to selecting here filters and selecting a filter from here. As you can see, I'm using a filter currently, and to remove the filter, again tap on filter and now you have to select your normal to remove the filter from your camera. So that's how we can remove filter from TikTok video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.